doing this is due to my father. My father was a farmer. I thank God he's still there, and he's 94 years old. We used to grow coffee, and coffee is seasonal, yet problems are not seasonal. There is always a need. Explain to us, what prompted you to start growing pepper? What caused you to start? Learning from Mr. Dale, I learned that growing pepper, he explained to me the good things about growing pepper. I also googled more, and then I got to learn more about growing pepper. The good thing is, after starting to harvest pepper, you are sure that there will be some money coming into your home every week, and you will be able to take care of your home and the school fees for children. What are the problems that you have encountered in growing pepper? Well, from the time I began, one of the problems I've encountered is this: pepper needs a fresh garden. For you to clear a garden, to clear a forest and plant on a fresh land, it is extremely costly if you grow pepper on the land that is really being used by other crops. Now when you come to this rainy season, you have to be weeding every 2 weeks.